Omar Farouk ran a staffing agency that placed people into warehouse and office jobs. For a lot of them, his website was the first hopeful step out of a hard stretch, where they typed in their whole work history. Like every agency, his site had the usual tools bolted on: an application form where job seekers typed their history and their contact details, a live chat box, analytics, and a tool that quietly recorded how visitors moved through the pages. He never once thought about what they were doing. The letter came by email on an ordinary Tuesday, sitting between a client order and a candidate reply. Dear Mr. Farouk, our client visited your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired: an application form that copied what visitors typed, their name, their address, their work history, to a third party, a live chat box that shared its messages, advertising pixels that handed it all to Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it go away, $33,450 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Omar did not believe it. It was just a job application page like 1,000 others. So he ran a scan of his own site, and he watched it happen. The moment his application page loaded, before a single visitor clicked accept, 15 trackers fired. And one of them was recording every keystroke on his application form. People typing their address, their past jobs, why they had left, and a script quietly copying all of it to a stranger's server. He sat back cold. People came to him at their most vulnerable, out of work, needing a break, trusting him with their whole story. And his own website had been handing that to companies he had never heard of every day before anyone said yes. The attorney he called was honest with him. This kind of letter does not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree these cases hold up. It only has to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands because settling is cheaper than defending. $33,450. That was months of placements he had already worked for. It was the money that kept the lights on between contracts. It was a punch straight to the gut. But sitting there, Omar realized the panic had a cure. He could see exactly what his site sent and when, the very thing they had scanned. He did not have to guess. He could walk into this knowing what was actually true. Omar had spent years helping people get back on their feet, one placement at a time. And the thing that nearly undid him was invisible, running quietly on his own website every single day. Right up until the moment he finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information